Hi, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Denali Aire 5K mechanical window AC unit. This unit is compact and easy to install, making it perfect for small spaces. Let's get started. For this install, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, a level, a pencil, scissors, and a tape measure. Next, you're going to want to decide where to place your unit. Because of its compact size, I'm going to be placing mine in my bedroom. Your window must have a width of at least 23 inches and open to a height of 14.5 inches to accommodate the unit. Make sure your unit is less than 5 feet from a power outlet to assure that the power cord can reach comfortably. Unbox your unit. Use the straps on the unit to lift it out of the box. Make sure to place all parts to the side for later use. Now that pre-installation is complete, your first step is going to be installing the top rail. Align the holes of the top rail with the holes on the top of the unit. Use the screwdriver to secure the rail to the unit using 4 of the 3/8 inch screws. Next, you're going to install the accordion panels. Slide the free end of the accordion panel down the side rail of the unit. Once the panel is in place, slide the top and bottom rail of the panel into the top and bottom rail of the unit. Now we're going to be placing the unit in the window. Make sure the unit is centered in the frame and that the unit's bottom rail is sitting in the windowsill. Close the window onto the top rail to hold the unit in place. Once the unit is secure, extend the accordion panels to fit the width of the window. Cut the supplied insulation foam to the width of the window. Then insert it between the window sashes to prevent airflow. Use 1/2 inch screws to secure the top of the accordion panels and the top rail to the window sash. Place the sash lock on top of the window sash and secure it in place with 3/4 inch screws. Now all there's left to do is plugging in your unit. Just turn it on and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy.